I'm here at Western Plaza in West Knoxville, one of the prime shopping centers located between the University of Tennessee on one side and Bearden on the other. And we've got an announcement that we can finally make after months and months of work. And the big announcement is that Crunch Fitness right here is going to open a new facility right here in the shopping center. 43,000 square feet. It'll join the other anchors that are here in the center, Fresh Market, Jose Bank, and Orvis. That what makes Western Plaza such a strong place and has since this center opened in 1953. But Crunch is going to be more than just a big wide open box. Here's the really cool part. It's a 2-story fitness complex. In fact, the main entrance to the entire facility will be right here on the lower level of Western Plaza that joins Dog Stop on one side, the Ice Chalet on the other, really activating the bottom part of this center that has been a little quiet for the last couple of years. Really looking forward to seeing what happens when Crunch opens here in hopefully late summer.